This is a modern contemporary home facade and we're facing it from the front. To start off, the house is indeed not symmetrical. We're going to focus on the standout piece of the house, which is the wooden square structure on the right. The windows on the top and bottom are the same sizes, but yet the metal divider is mirrored from one another, causing an almost S formation from looking up to down. Next, we'll look at the side of the house on the left side looking right. The pop-out and cut-outs of the different parts of the house show the different levels and how the wood is extending out beyond the windows. Next, the side windows of the wooden structure are identified and symmetrical, unlike the windows earlier. The windows are sunken into the building while the wood supports extend out into the yard. Finally, the window on the stones are built inward, and at the bottom and top glass is bigger than the ones in the middle.